Louis Vuitton sent us a suitcase. And after spending a week with it, I'm not sure that I want to send it back. This is the Horizon 55 in aluminium, and it might just be the quietly most insane piece of luggage I've ever laid my hands on. Let's go check it out.
Quick context. This is a loaner from LV, finished in beige VVN, which stands for Vachetta Naturelle. Vuitton speak for their signature, natural, untreated cowhide leather. It also comes in black. It retails for $4,700, and it didn't come alone. There's a matching aluminum vanity case riding shotgun, which we'll get to. But let's start with the main event. The shell is aluminum, and the monogram is embossed, pressed into the metal, not printed on top. Catch it in the light and the whole pattern moves. But here's what I keep coming back to. Run your eye all the way around it. No visible rivets, no external hinges, nothing bolted on anywhere. Most hardshell cases, even really expensive ones, wear their hardware on the outside. Chunky latches, exposed hinge barrels, rows of rivets. This one hides all of it. The two halves close on what Louis Vuitton calls an extra slim frame, and the result is this clean, unbroken, almost monolithic object. It doesn't read like luggage, it reads like something milled from a single block of metal. Opening and closing this is genuinely satisfying. The action is smooth, weighted, precise, no slop, no rattle, no cheap, plasticky snap. It feels engineered, and it reminded me of one very specific thing. The interior of the highly controversial Ferrari Luce, Ferrari's first electric car designed by Jony Ive of Apple fame. They built that whole cabin around precision machined aluminum controls, real physical switches and toggles milled from solid billets, each one tuned for exactly how it feels and sounds when you touch it. Same philosophy at work right here. The hardware isn't something you put up with, it's the entire point. Aluminium, machined to feel deliberate. When a suitcase and a Ferrari are chasing the exact same idea, you know the detail is on purpose. Inside, it's just as considered. The telescoping handle system, or trolley, is mounted externally on the back. That means it doesn't eat into your packing space, and the interior floor is completely flat. One side is a main compartment with elastic retention straps. The other is a full zipped divider with its own zipped pocket. Two TSA combination locks are built straight into the frame. 4 wheels, LV calls them silent, and honestly, they're not wrong. This thing glides. For the spec people, 37 liters of capacity, around 10 pounds empty, and it's cabin sized. The 55 is 55 centimeters, which is standard international carry-on height.
And now, the companion piece.
This is the matching vanity case. Same aluminum, same beige, and it's built to live with a suitcase. The corners are reinforced with cowhide leather. There's a single, solid top handle, its own TSA lock, and inside, a removable central divider with a zipped pocket. Pop the divider out, and it's just one clean open box. It's actually useful, and side by side, the two of them clearly read as a set, because they are one. There's an integrated tote band that loops over the Horizon's handle, so it rides locked on top. You're rolling one stable stack instead of juggling 2 bags.
Okay, real talk for a second.
I have to be straight about what this case is and what it isn't. Aluminum is beautiful, but it's soft. It scratches, it dents. Some people love that lived-in patina. But on a monogrammed $4,000, almost $5,000 shell, every scuff is going to sting. And commercial baggage handling is brutal. Belts, carousels, gate checks, the cargo hold. So my take? This is not a bag you check and pray over. It's cabin sized for a reason. You keep it with you. And it's truly at its best somewhere it never gets thrown around. A car straight to the tarmac, your own hands, the whole way, a private cabin. If you're flying private, this is the perfect travel companion. If you're flying commercial, keep it on your arm, never let it out of your sight, and make peace with a few battle scars.
So, it's the Horizon 55 and its vanity case. A near perfect object with a very particular life attached to it. Tell me down below. Overhead bin or private jet? Which one do you take? I'm Vlad for Purse Blog. See you in the next video.